Hi everyone, here is the turn-in video for Friday, May 29th, and this is the 2 weeks worth of work. So first I will do the assignments that were due on Friday, May 22nd, but there was no school that day. So first we have math, the chapter review test for chapter 15, which is page 155 through 156. Then we start chapter 16 and you have pages 157 all the way through 166. Then you had handwriting, page 113 to 116. Then there was no English due last week and no reading due last week. So then we jump to Bible and you have your weekly verse. Then in the Bible workbook pages, you were starting on page 195 and going through, starting on page 194, I apologize. 194, skipping a few pages. I have these completely backwards. Sorry, I stapled Michael's wrong. So, Bible for last week, 189, skip 190, 191, 192, skip 193, do 194, do 195, skip 196, okay? Sorry about that with Bible. I literally stapled it backwards. Okay, and then science, you are turning in all of chapter 11, which is page 177 to 192. And then for social studies, you were doing pages 177, 178, 179, 180, 185, and 186 for social studies. You also did page 187 last week with me at Zoom, and this one technically counts for the 29th turn-in day, but whichever pile it's in, as long as I get it, it's fine. So that was it for the 22nd turn-in day. Now let's go through the 29th turn-in date, and this one's going to be a lot more simply because we didn't turn in reading and English at all last week because it was one big packet, okay? So for math, we start with page 167 and go to page 174. Then you have your chapter test for chapter 16, 177 through 180. Then you are turning in all of English packet chapter 1, or English packet 1. This whole packet gets turned in. Then you have handwriting, page 177 to 118. Then you are turning in all of your Pelican Cove reading packet. The whole packet is to be completed. Then you have your written Bible verse. Then your Bible workbook pages are 197, skip 198, 199, 200, 201, skip 202, 203, and 204. And 2 of those pages are just the ones that you read, but on the back of them was something you had to do, okay? So there's Bible. Science is all of chapter 12, which is pages 195 to 208. And social studies is then that page 187, 189, 191, and 201. And that is it. So I know it's quite a lot of work for it to all be turned in. If you are scanning the work for me, please send me 2 separate emails, one with the May 22nd work and one with the May 29th work, just so that I have them in the 2 different emails, so it's easier for me when I'm sifting through it all to grade. I would really appreciate that. If you are turning in hard copies, if you can just bundle all of the 29th work together and all of the 22nd work together, that would be helpful as well. So if you have any questions, let me know, and that's it. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.